setup, and also maybe to give you some feels on how it would be for the agent to actually get these cards themselves and play around with it. So maybe time for some judgment. So the good, so they have the support for the long-time completeness, completing of certain models. They are also using the JSON-RPC format, which is also very easy to work with. They also are introducing the agent marketplace, maybe also sounds familiar for people that have looked at the MCP registry. The agent cards is also pretty easy to work with, also very familiar when you look at other frameworks. A big advantage is that you now can use the right size models, which is also interesting, so you can maybe use lower cost models for certain tasks. It's modality agnostic, so you can use other types, and authentication is built in. So it's also learning from MCP's mistakes there, that first there was no real security in MCP. The bad, so I think they're making a really good start. Looking at the code, I think they are still really immature, as the demo code is now already pretty different from the Python package that you can actually install. So they're really marketing themselves as this being an enterprise solution, but the code really isn't there yet to really use it for enterprise. Also, if I would be asking myself the question, is this really the framework that is solving the problems I have right now? And it's not. So if we're looking at the evaluation or the state management might be solved a little bit, but to be fair, it solves it the same as another framework might do. Explainability and repeatability is also not really solved. So it's there and it's really interesting to use. But it doesn't really solve the problems we are experiencing right now with building multi-agent systems. So is A2A, some opinions maybe, is A2A more secure than MCP? I think so. I think it's definitely now set up better from the ground up. Though I really think MCP with the recent changes and also changes in the future can really get there. Has Google just invented a more complex and less deterministic REST API? I also saw this in the YouTube comments somewhere. I liked it a little bit, because I think the protocol that they propose is quite easy to implement yourself. But to be fair, they implemented it. It's easy to use. We're looking for a standard, and we want mass adoption. So if they're doing that, then it's good. And if we have MCP, we don't need A2A. Also a maybe, because MCP, if it's just connected to an agent, it can kind of do the same. Though MCP really doesn't have the streaming support yet, for as far as I know, and also doesn't have like the long-running completeness support.
Let's turn it around and say, if we had A2A, do we really need MCP?
Yeah, I definitely think you can turn this around. Though that would mean that we would use another framework for the agents themselves and running on their local server to do the tool calling, which is, I think there's a lot of frameworks. So it really depends on what do you want to be hosting separately. And it's too early for A2A a little bit. It's not solving the problems we have right now, but it's a very nice idea. So I'm very curious whether in a year we'll be talking about A2A or MCP, or maybe a third framework. So that was my talk. Ready for the Q&A. I'm Titus, data engineer at ML6. Maybe I haven't told you yet. And just want to say, if you think this is cool, if you think it's really cool, then we're hiring at ML6. So also